from hearing phantom sound in your ear? Well, actually, if you do, you are one of many people who have the same problem and suffer from tinnitus. Well, if you want to help yourself, you need to watch this video and even do what I say to you. Well, simply, many people hear different things in their ears, and this is quite interesting, and they don't really know how to fight with tinnitus and how to actually start living a normal life. And if you want to know how to actually do that, you have to go to the link below and see how we can actually help you. Don't worry, everything's gonna be okay. You simply have to do what I say. So don't be shy and go to the link below, or simply to the tinnitus treatment.net. I hope everything's gonna be okay.